Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an octane blue metallic 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES, stock number A7037. You have factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim, and that is wrapped in a Nexen tire. Inside there's a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Outlander. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Inside of the trunk, as you can see, is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mitsubishi today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. This is equipped with traction control. Coming inside, on the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed continuously variable transmission. You have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 30 miles per gallon. You do also have your 4x4 control here. If you'd like to get more information on this Outlander or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.